Need to add multiple listings quickly? This video will show you how to use our importer tool to add multiple listings at a time from your documents. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to Venturu.com and sign in with your broker account. Then you're going to click your listings. And there's two options. There's create new listing and import listings. We're going to hit import listings. And over here, we can add any kind of document related to the business listings we want to import. So that can be CIMs, marketing material, anything. We'll find the listings and create them for you. So I'm going to go ahead and click add documents. I'm going to add a bunch of marketing material for some listings that I have. And I'm going to hit continue. And it's going to take around 30-40 seconds. So what it's doing, it's finding all the financial data inside the documents. It's crafting the titles for the listings, descriptions. If there's no images in the documents, it will create new images for the listings that are high conversion images. So it's doing a lot of work behind the scenes that will save you countless hours. All right, and there we go. There it found 5 new listings from my 5 documents, and they're all optimized. They'll have all the data imported. And if anything is not correct or how you would have imagined it to be imported, then you can always click edit and change all the data that was extracted from the documents. But in my case, it all looks great. It has great photos, and I'm just going to hit publish over here, and the listings are ready. So now they're all going to be discoverable through search engines, through Venturu. And if you'd like to change them, of course, you can always change the details of these listings on their respective pages. And that's it. So to get started, go to Venturu.com, and looking forward to seeing all those business opportunities listed in Venturu. Thank you.